I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and minimizing interruptions. Plug them in, enable Wi-Fi, and unlock screens. Open Move to iOS on Android and follow the initial prompts. The app creates a private Wi-Fi connection to the iPhone. Enter the numeric code shown on the iPhone into Android to pair the devices. This step transfers account info and media lists. It's the secure bridge, so make sure both devices remain awake and nearby before proceeding. Once paired, you choose exactly what to move: contacts, message history, photos, mail accounts, calendars, and compatible apps. Tap each category and start the transfer. Android sends the selected data over the temporary Wi-Fi link to iPhone. Make sure to keep the Android app open and the iPhone on the move to iOS screen. If you have many photos or videos, expect longer transfer time. Patience prevents interruptions and ensures data integrity. After transfer completes, finish iPhone setup. Sign into your Apple ID, enable iCloud, and review imported accounts and apps in Settings. Open messages, photos, and contacts to confirm everything arrived. Some third-party app data may not transfer and requires manual moves. If the process fails, make sure Wi-Fi stayed connected, restart both devices, and run Move to iOS again. If specific items are missing, export them from Android e.g. via Google Drive and import into.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.